Yo, DGens, what's going on, guys? What's up? What's up? Market's still looking healthy so far, hasn't pulled back yet. We're going to keep on top of it, though. That is what she said. Market looks pretty good. A lot of things pamping, a lot of things looking healthy. A couple DC opportunities. Basically, we've recovered everything that we lost yesterday, right? For the most part. So we're going to look at JASMY. We're going to look at Onyx coin in this video. We're going to look at the charts. JASMY up 0.3% on the day, down 12.1% on the week, down 33.1% on the month, up 459% on the year, down 4 spots in rank to 76, $1.48 billion market cap. Volume is still pretty low, 104.99 million in volume. So not the best. Like I keep saying, guys, listen, without volume, you will not sustain any kind of significant move to the upside, right? You got to have volume coming in. And I said it before, I'll say it again. The good thing about that is that volume can enter a market like that. So it can enter really, really fast. Let's go have a look over at the JASMY chart here first of all. Before we get into Onyx coin, we'll look at JASMY. So just riding that trend line still, guys, riding it out. We got to retest the top of this trend line on the daily time frame. We got to retest that, probably reject off of it before clearing it, retesting it to confirm the breakout, and then away we go. That's what we're waiting for on the breakout, guys. And if we break to the downside, probably right inside this box, between that 2 cents 5 and 2 cents 7 level is where I'm kind of targeting. RSI neutral 41.46. Nothing to brag about there, guys. Nothing big. We had an okay daily close. We closed the candle green today, right around that 3 cent level, 3 cent 071. Going over to Bitcoin's charts. What do we have going on there? We closed our daily candle below the 30-day SMA, but we're above it right now at 97,000. So now can we close the current daily candle above the 30-day SMA? We're going to have to watch it pretty tightly, pay attention to it. Let's go over to the 4 hours, see what kind of momentum we have going on here. Not bad. Not bad momentum going on today, guys. RSI is still neutral, but starting to creep towards overbought at 62.81. We're flirting with the 200-day SMA. It seems to be a little bit of a level of resistance. 5 4-hour candles in a row have closed below it. But can we break above it on the 4-hour and continue to the upside? That's what we'll be paying attention to. That's what we'll be watching, guys. So, moving over to Onyx coin, let's go have a look at XCN. See what's happening over there. Up 6.9% on the day, up 8.6% on the week, up 8.3% on the month, and up 106% on the year. We're up 5 spots in rank to 496. 87.49 million in volume, 3.24 million in trade. Market cap's 87.49, 3.24 million in trading volume. So let's go look over at the Onyx coin chart. Now we have a symmetrical triangle playing out here, guys. Now the breakout would bring us up to, from this level, would bring us to 2031227 area, give or take. Maybe hopefully higher than that, but that's where my target is. Maybe come up above there, pull back down and build another support level up here. That would be fine with me as long as we're continuing to the upside. But so far, we're testing the resistance, the top of the trend line. We're testing that right now, guys. Don't be shocked if we reject off of it and spend a couple of more days before breaking out. Don't be surprised if that's the case, but we'll see what happens, right? The longer we consolidate, the higher the break to the upside is going to be. It will be glorious. So that's what we're watching for over on the charts. A couple of Onyx coin updates. XCN. We are on track for the 1st of February's OIP that will incentivize running Onyx core nodes, with a draft proposal already being evaluated. As a reminder, the community Onyx core is already live, and first preference will be given to existing nodes. So we're going to get into some more details about the nodes, you guys. We want to learn more about it. We want to operate nodes on our Patreon. So we will tell you exactly what we have found out as we move forward. I'm going to keep digging. We're going to see if we can get us a node, guys. So stay tuned for that. Also, we got one more JASMY update as well, but we're going to finish up our Onyx XCN updates. Again, courtesy of Jetpack, guys. This is so big, right? So XCN cannot only hold other crypto assets, but also enterprise, institutional, and government assets on its ledger as well. Okay? Absolutely massive. Let's watch this, guys.
This project basically is trying to bring everything into one, then you have interoperability, meaning that it's cohesive, it works together, and you can have multi-assets on that particular ledger, which will be the blockchain, right? So Bitcoin is sort of like isolated with, all right, the only asset is Bitcoin for that. So you keep saying, so Ethereum doesn't really operate on the same ledger as Bitcoin. But on Onyx Coin, you can have HBAR, Bitcoin, Ripple, Cardano, Ethereum. Well, here's even better. You can have Walmart, Amazon, Apple.
Stocks.
So these businesses, all right, and financial institutions and governments can build and they can create insurance programs, right? So you can see right here. So you can issue assets by writing custom insurance programs. So let's go ahead and check out what that is, basically. So it's a framework that allows a company or organization to issue debt instruments, such as bonds, in order to raise capital. Now, listen to what I'm saying, guys.
Crazy.
It's big. So these companies, they can create these using these writing and customized programs under this particular asset, right? And then what happens? Once issued, units of the assets are controlled by control programs. Control programs are similar to smart contracts, right? So here's control programs. So it's software in charge of other software and hardware. So for example, the primary control program in a computer is the operating system. It sets the standards and all applications must use the interface with the OS, right? So that is what they're doing, okay, with the control programs. And it's similar to smart contracts under what Ethereum is doing. Now, the beauty about what Onyx Coin is that you literally can create, like we talked about in this white paper, right? All right, look, you can set rules for issuing new units of an asset. So you can put rules in place, what it's for, the value of it, how many you're going to have. All right, so this means that NFTs can be created. That means debt instruments such as you can do derivatives, you can do option contracts, other types of futures contracts. All these things can be done, right? But it can be done based off the assets that are part of an organization.
Absolutely massive. So much bigger than you think that it is. Once again, guys, the research on this the credit goes to Jetpack, community member, Patreon member. You know him, you love him. So shout out to Jetpack for providing that. And we'll close up with some JASMY updates. Panasonic Japan, new release, outdoor camera with monitor. It is here, let me go. Let's zoom in. Okay, so it is a product that comes with a monitor-based unit, and you can check the image of the camera just by turning on the power by using the dedicated app. You can also play back recorded video and live video from your smartphone. Let's review the measures and improve the safety of your home. Details from the lip column. So, guys, the point of this, a brand new state-of-the-art security camera, IoT device from Panasonic. One more IoT item that is going to be connected to Junctions and Panasonic's platform that they're currently building. Guys, state-of-the-art camera system. You love to see it connected to your smartphone, which will also be connected to it, which is another IoT device. Absolutely bullish, guys, bullish. And to finish up, one more piece of business. Exchange reserves down even more. Check it out, guys. Another 349 million JASMY taken off exchange reserves. You love to see that as well, guys. Very, very bullish. Supply and demand, guys. Supply and demand. The less JASMY available, the better it is for all of us. So listen, guys, very excited about everything that we have going on over on the Patreon right now, guys. Nobody is offering what we're offering with the video call window that we open, the group video call window that we open up every single day, where everyone's able to see and hear each other. And guys, no other Patreon or Discord is doing this kind of thing. Everyone's able to engage, talk. We get real-time assurance, reassurance, or validation in any questions that we have. If you hear FUD, if you see good news, you read something, you see something, you can jump on to our group video calls. You can ask questions, see what everybody else is seeing, what everybody else thinks about the news. Because a lot of times you hear something, let's say it's negative, you get emotional, you start to panic. You need to know what is going on with this. Well, it is an opportunity for you to jump into the community and talk to everybody else, including myself, to see what exactly everyone else is thinking about the current situation. And hey, it might not be as bad as you think that it is, right? It could definitely help calm nerves on emotional people, things like that, guys. You can also schedule one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. Those spots fill up very fast, guys. Get in there, get your one-on-one coaching AMAs booked in. Let's get you in the books. And if you've never been through an altcoin season before, guys, there's nothing wrong with having your hand held by a community of people who've been through multiple altcoin seasons and can help you exit this market with life-changing wealth for you and your family. So get over there, guys. Join the community. The link is down in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.